Okay, just stay there. He went this way?
You want to start P9 that way?
You inside checking?
Copy that. Open door directly behind the address. About to check it.
Watch it. Double fence real quick.
The fence on the other side.
I couldn't copy that traffic.
He's running.
Copy that. Suspect running northbound. Shots fired.
26 ahead.
I got him! He's hit! Get the fuck down!
4-7. 57. 44-7.
Get back! Oh, she's your hands!
119-7 is my computer. All units now on scene, stay off of traffic.
I'm going to you, Christie.
46 Virginia.
I got it.
Northbound from 2133. East Bristol.
Where you at? Where you at?
My legs.
Okay.
My legs and my right ankle.
1813 for status.
Sir, get back!
Get back! Get in the house!
They're ready to go. 10-1, 18, 11.
Where you at?
Open my...
Where at?
Right here.
Hey, step in.
My right here, my right.
Hey, step in.
1811 for status.
1810 up in town.
Copy that. 1810, where's your location?
11, I'm with him. Tourniquets on him.
1811, are you in the backyard at 2133?
Yes, I know the suspect. He's underneath the fence. You good?
Can somebody verify the location of the officer shot?
What's the address here? Are you hit?
What is the location of the officer?
Watch fire. You hit?
Yeah.
Get down.
Twice. In the leg and chest.
1810, are you...
Wait, no, tourniquet right here! Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move!
Get him!
Got it!
Hey, hang on.
Got it?
Hit him!
Where you hit?
City Barnes, north of Connell, turn right on Connell, eastbound on Connell.
He's hit hard!
I got it.
Open it.
Oh.
You got it?
Dalton's hit. This paramedic is hit.
Oh, shit.
You with me, buddy? You with me? Just keep breathing. Just keep fucking breathing.
Coming from.
Get him in my fucking car. Let's go.
Can I sit up?
All right, come on. Double leg.
Let's go. Roll it.
Just keep hanging on, bro.
Right here.
Yep, right there. Get him.
You're going to be taking Saginaw north or 475 north?
All right, brother. The E unit.
We're going to be northbound Saginaw.
Christie,
Yeah, you're good, my man. You're good.
475.
What do you need, Cord? I got gauze.
Copy that. Saginaw to Hemphill.
We're going to take off this whole boot.
You still with him? Copy that. Semi-responsive.
You alright, brother?
Where's the second rig going? 2141 Bristol.
So I think we can go ahead and take us this turn.
If there's not a game on unit on Connell Street, send them up to Connell.
I think one of my bullets hit Christie. I think my bullet hit Christie.
You fired at him?
That guy in there's moving on the other side of the fence. He's right there. He backs up.
Don't stop talking. There we go. Oh, walk into a car. I don't know yet. The medic?
Yeah, good. Just shook him up, obviously. Blur.
Forward 5th and Saginaw through it.
Yeah.
You know who hit him?
I don't think I hit the suspect. I think one of my bullets hit Christie. Because I saw the medic and he point, shot, and he backs up and he points, and then I just saw a blur behind the fence, which I thought was the suspect, and I fired around that fence, and I think one of mine hit Christie in the leg.
I got northbound 475 shut down.